All right, let's try a couple examples on the 1.8.2 checkup using those angle relationships we just learned. So for the questions 1 through 4, use this diagram. Notice that A, B, and C, D are parallel. It was told to us in this example. We have to know that they're parallel before we can start answering these questions using the angle relationships. And we do. So we're like, okay, they're parallel. Check. All right, find W. So first I'm looking right here at this little spot W. So notice that W is an alternate interior angle to the 25 degrees. So I can say that W equals 25 degrees. W equals 25 degrees. I think we have a little degrees thing. Here it is. All right. It's not sticking. I don't know why. Okay, and then we can say the reason below it is because alternate interior angles are equal. Ms. Sanchez, do I really have to write the reason below it? Yep, only if you want the points. Okay, let's go do the next one, find X. So this time I'm looking right here at this angle up here. And we notice that X and 25, those two angles are on the same line and they form a linear pair. So I'm going to say that X plus 25 equals 180. And then we can solve that equation. Now this font is way too big for us to do any kind of solving. So now we're going to minus 25 from both sides. And then 180 minus 25 on your calculator gives us 155 degrees. Oh, sure, now it goes. Okay, and then the reason for this one that we put is linear pair. Perfect. Next, let's go find Y. This time I'm going to use purple. Y is over here. Now remember that we just found W. W is 25 right here. So if Y is on a linear pair to W, we now can go do the work. But didn't we just do the linear pair with a 25 already? Yep, it's already right here. So I'm literally going to go copy and paste this. We're just going to write X plus 25 equals 180 again. And that X equals 55 again. And then our reason, just like before, is that a linear pair is supplementary. All right, let's find Z, the last one. Z is a vertical angle to X, but Z is also a same side interior to the 25, to W. So you could do this either way. Since we already know that that X is 155 from when we solved right down here. You can do this as a vertical angle. You can just say that Z is equal to X. So Z is equal to X, and therefore Z is equal to 155. And that's by vertical angles are equal. You also could have solved it using Z plus W equals 180. So I'm going to do that work up here. You could say Z plus W equals 180. And we know that W is 25. So Z plus 25 equals 180. We subtract 25 from both sides and you get that Z equals 155. So this gets us the same answer as we just had, but the method we used for this one is same side interior angles are supplementary. So to me, the vertical angle seems a bit more of a direct route. So that's why I like the vertical angles are equal, but both of those would work depending on how you saw it. Okay, so far those are our 4 answers. Let's go down here and see what they're asking us next. All right, given this image, they want us to find X, Y, and Z. So X is right here. Notice that X forms a linear pair with the 40. So we're going to say X plus 40 equals 180. And then we're going to minus 40 from both sides. And we get X is equal to 140 degrees. And then we write our reason. And our reason is that linear pair is supplementary. All right, let's go find Y. Y is an alternate interior angle to the 40 degrees. So we would just say that Y equals 40, and then our reason is alternate interior angles are equal. Finally, it says to find Z. Now that we just found that Y is 40, do you see that Z is also equal to 40 degrees? And the reason is vertical angles are equal. And so this Z is vertical from Y. And that's it. Oh, no, just kidding. Fake out. We have 3 more. So find X, Y, and Z. And it's all based on this 78. So I like that they're asking us to find the X first because X is the easiest in my opinion. X equals 78 degrees because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, let's look at number 9. Find Y. Now we're over here. Well, we just found that x was 78, so we can say that y also equals 78 because vertical angles are equal. And finally, let's find z. Z is this guy right here. We notice that y and z or x and z form a linear pair. So we can say that x plus z equals 180. And we know that x is 78. So we minus the 78 from both sides, and we get that z equals 102 degrees. And then our reason for that is linear pair is supplementary. Okay, now for real, it's done. How'd you do?